Over more than a century of careful design and innovation, FSCurtis has become the most trusted and dependable leader in the compressed air industry, revolutionizing the air compressor to your growing and ever-changing business. We've come a long way since 1854. We are pleased to unveil our flagship rotary screw air compressor, our award-winning and most efficient model to date, the NX Series. The FSCurtis NX Series combines efficient operations with outstanding durability, the perfect combination for applications that require reliable performance in demanding conditions. Each specially designed NX Series features the most state-of-the-art and innovative advancements that only FSCurtis can deliver. The E-Cooled technology provides protection from heat and reduces thermal stress, along with a uniquely designed DBA shield to guarantee quiet operation. State-of-the-art iCommand touch display captures and tracks real-time usage while letting you keep your finger on the pulse of your entire compressed air system. Today, just as in 1854, FSCurtis customers can depend on our products for reliable, long-term service. We understand that quality parts matter, but it is our first mission to provide quality customer service, including a worldwide network of representatives to listen to your needs and help develop the perfect solution to your situation that only FSCurtis can deliver. Real people, real world products. FSCurtis.